Agents, glad you're all here. This is a priority level Alpha, and everyone viewing this transmission must be level 5 clearance. This morning we received satellite information that several rogue nations have begun fueling their intercontinental nuclear missiles. They all seem to be pointed directly at our nation. We believe this info to be credible, and we're preparing to act. Most of our bunkers went online as soon as the threat was detected. I say most. The USS AIDC control bunker, which is vital to linking the threat tracking and defense guidance systems together, has gone dark as of 0500. We've lost all contact with the agents manning this station. This bunker is critical if we're to stop any incoming warheads. If we don't regain control of this bunker, it'll be catastrophic to our country. Your team is close. We need you to go in, secure the facility, and get it back online. Find out what happened to the agents manning that facility. Be prepared for anything. We fully believe an enemy of this country has rigged the bunker in an attempt to stop us from defending against this missile attack. Focus up. Work together to end this threat. We're counting on you. Good luck.